Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. August the 5th, 2009, 5:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Got the late start. Sorry, my bad. What a day. What a day. As we said, what would happen? The dollar rallied only to sell back down. And as we see the dollar index again, really trying to hold the line here. Stock market was down, not out, came back in the middle of the day, American Express, and then the carry trade rally, but then we sold off. And certainly the Aussie didn't have follow through today at all. The euro was the relative winner towards the end of the day, but that sold off also. You tell him, JoJo. And once again, we're getting this period of rallies that fail. I mean, look at the euro-dollar daily chart. Failure. Doji. Double doji. I think we come back down and retest this 143.50 level for sure. Dollar yen. What was that late day sell-off today? Oh, my goodness. What a sell-off. Looks ugly to me. Looks like it's rolling over. Going to probably retest the lows, maybe even get to 94. Certainly I think dollar yen's probably going to hit this downtrend channel line. But notice every day that goes by, we're getting closer and closer. So stock market up big one day. Maybe bond yields maybe explode, and we'll get that as well. And again, hopefully, like I said last night, I was not looking for a collapse. This was a beauty. And I got to tell you, if you listen to my radio program, it's just unbelievable. Sterling rallying 100 pips before the number. Euro sterling collapsing before the numbers. There is a leak of biblical proportions going on in the UK. What the hell? Obviously, cable looks the best out of all of them, the best of the best of the best. But again, NBC rate statement, I think after the statement, we probably sell off in cable. Everyone knows, okay, they're not buying gilts anymore. They see stabilization. That's a good thing. I don't know. Selling the news. Maybe we rally, make a new high. Maybe we drag up to 71. We get up here maybe. But certainly I think 69 we can pull back to also. Triple roll, people. Remember, we sell everything. We buy dollars. We buy yen. Not really working that great right now. But it's working a little bit. Even sterling yen coming in a little. So in looking at, again, Aussie dollar chart, we take a look here. Look at the Aussie. See, that looks beautiful to me. Commodities also made a comeback. Let's go over those actually real quick. Let's take a look. Gold. Couldn't hold it. Little bit of a hanging man, too. Rallied back. Red. Dollar bullish. Oil. Made a comeback. True. Hanging man. And as we showed you yesterday in the S&Ps, hey, you could have done very well being short those S&Ps today. Hanging man. Zoom in if you have to. Look at that hanging man, a double hanging man. Futures look terrible. Look, they're down 250 since the close today. So everything, look how toppy this look. We're due for a nice pullback, 975. Why the hell not? Oh, baby, I feel it coming tonight. Aussie dollar commodity based. I'll tell you, that's why I love this pound Aussie. And again, I'm working out a marketing arrangement with informedtrades.com. Listen to Global FX Radio for more about that. I interviewed David Waring on the show. David and I know each other for a long time, so you want to check that out. But look at my pound Aussie. It's my trade pick of the week. Double bottom. Going to this downtrend channel line right here. Macroeconomically, this is perfect. Macroeconomically, London's doing better. Aussie, they are not raising rates anytime soon. And if commodities come in, Aussie's going to get whacked. I think 206 easy. And if we break on through there, we could be looking at much better. I mean, look where this is. Look at the double bottom. Look at that double bottom. And the macro lines up too. I'm not calling this out, but I think if this breaks through 206, this baby has got Fibonacci written all over it. Do one of them. I mean, certainly. I love this trade. As long as 197 is not breached, this is phenomenal. To the moon. To the moon, Alice. So again, Euro sterling, let's take a look. I love that Aussie. Euro sterling. I think the MPC, I think we crack. Look, could not rally. I think say hello to 84. It's just dribbling, ready for a bar down now. 3 days in a row, we've gone nowhere. It's time, baby. Maybe it rallies. Maybe yours. Maybe they're still going to buy that crap. They're done. End of story. That should be very good. Looking at Euro Yen. Look at the topping formation there. Doesn't look very good to me. Look good to you? I think it looks like a piece of crapola. I mean, taking a look at this chart. Stock market's going to come in. Listen, head and shoulders for sure. It's ascending, but let's pull back. Let's get a little scare. Let's pull back down to 130. I think easily it could happen. Head and shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, head. This baby looks good. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Triple tops, can't top out here. Beautiful shooting star this afternoon. Look at that. Certainly wedging, that's for sure. Certainly is wedging. Remember, people, if you have any questions about any aspect of my business, feel free to email me at info, at globalfxradio.com. And remember, this is my last week. No more summer special. No soup for you. 1 week free trial and $200 a month. You sign up right now, it's $400 for 3 months. That's $133 a month. No refunds. No freaking way. I'm bad one day and then you want your money back? Please. Not happening. So Euro Yen again, to me, unless we get over 37.50, break out over here, I think we come down easy and break this level here, 136 for sure. I mean, we've come a long way, baby. Back in July, we're down to 128. We're 900 pips higher. This baby is due for a nice sell-off. Oh, it's due, baby. Under 136 is confirmation faux show. And again, we need the euro to come down in order for that to happen as well. Let's look at pound yen. Sterling yen. Let's take a look. Sterling yen, another one. Certainly looks like it's failing to me. Hourly chart rolling over. Not as much of a head and shoulders, but I see a head and shoulders maybe forming. I see this 160 level being a big spot. Certainly we got channel line support at the 160.90 level right around here. But I think we come into 160. Roll over, baby. Rolling over. It's chip or roll. So right around this 160 level, I'll be looking to take the trade. Hopefully you got short at better levels. Oh, this thing is so slow. Remember, any questions, feel free to email me at info, I-N-F-O, at globalfxradio.com. With my new relationship with Informed Trades, those of you who are novice traders can maybe get up to the level that you need to be in order to go premium. So Informed Trades and David Waring could probably take you there. If my charts would ever change, I'm frozen up right now. Not again. This sucks. But again, to me, clearly, it looks to me like the dollar is most probably going to have a nice little rally. What happens after the MPC statement? What happens after the Trichet's press conference? Jobless claims coming out at 8:30. Stock market futures are the key. Again, the key to me tonight, okay, is going to be oil, gold, and the futures. If they are down, if they are negative, I think we go down. Dollar strength, yen strength. Should I be wrong? And again, we have unemployment numbers coming out, by the way. New Zealand, Australia, I think those are going to be bad too. So it could be a very interesting night. Look at my charts frozen. I love this Aussie yen short. Love it. Love it. And again, if you have any questions about any aspect of my business, feel free to email me at info, I-N-F-O. Andrew Spanton. Again, I'm not looking for a dollar collapse or explosion. I'm just looking for a nice, buy the dips. Global FX Radio, the only voice you'll ever need in Forex that loves to make you money.